Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install any MetaTrader robot or bot or expert advisor to your MetaTrader. It is very simple, so pay attention to this video. I'm going to show you step by step how to install any robot. You can also install my expert advisor. You have the free download on the description of this video, so go ahead and download my expert advisor. It's totally free. You can download it and put it to work right now. I also recommend you to use it on demo account, so it's kind of dangerous. It's very profitable expert advisor, but also you need a big account if you want to use it on live account. So make sure you use it first on demo. You see how it works. Maybe you need to make some tweaks to the expert advisor, and then once you are sure what you are doing and you are sure what the robot is doing, then go ahead if you want and make it to run on live account. So to install the robot, but the first thing we need to have an expert advisor. In this case, I'm going to install my expert advisor. As I said on the description, you can download it. Once you have it, there is a folder like this one. In this case, this is the number of the expert advisor, is Level Expert Pro. And go ahead and enter into the folder. And here you have the bot itself. Go ahead and right click on this file and go to copy. Once you copy, you have to paste it in your MetaTrader 5 expert advisor folder, which can be found here. Go to file. Now open data folder. Here MQL5 folder, click on it. Now go to experts, now advisors, and here you paste it. Go here, sorry, paste. Sometimes I get confused because this is Windows 11 and I'm still used to Windows 10. So that's why you see me like going down, like looking for paste option, not here. It used to be somewhere here. Go to paste, and now we had to restart MetaTrader 5. Okay, so we can close this window. We close also MetaTrader 5, and now we open again our MetaTrader 5. So now once we have restart our MetaTrader 5, we go here to the navigator window. It is right below our pairs. Is here. In case you are not able to see this window, for example, it's like this, it's closed. So just go to View and click on Navigator. And now you have the Navigator window open. Go to Expert Advisors, click on Advisors, and once you open any chart, for example, here is the EURUSD. My robot works on 1 hour time frame, so we click on 1 hour. Now we are looking at EURUSD on 1 hour chart. We double click on our robot once the chart is open, okay? And it's going to open our bot. These are the presets. We can change anything on it. Here is a small description of the robot, what it does. On the input, we can change anything. We click on it, and as you can see, here it says the Level Expert Pro is installed, but as you can see here, this is like a small hat. This hat is gray, means that it's not working. It's installed, but it's not working. Why is that? It is because expert advisors are not allowed to work on this MetaTrader, because Algo trading here, as you can see, is red. It means it's not working. But if we click on it now, Algo trading, it is allowed, so we can have any robot working on our MetaTrader. We allow the expert advisor to work. So now we have to install it again. It is very simple. Even though it is already installed on our MetaTrader, we can double click again, and it's going to reinstall it again on this pair. So we go and we click yes. As you can see now, the hat is blue, so it is installed, it is working. And if everything is okay, if all these presets is okay, we click on it, and now it is working. So that is all, guys. That is all you have to do to install any bot on your MetaTrader 5. Just follow these simple steps, and if you have any question, you can leave your comment down below. So I will appreciate a lot any questions. Just make sure you comment, and I really like to have that feedback from you guys. So that's it. If you want my free robot, is in the description of the video. If you check my previous video, I show you a little bit about the performance, how it works. So make sure you also watch that video. Is the video before this one. Yeah, as I said, guys, thank you so much for your feedback and for watching my videos. I'm going to keep uploading these videos because I'm seeing a lot of views, a lot of people is coming from all over the world. So yeah, I know that my English is not the best, but I'm really trying to improve it as fast as possible. I'm watching a lot of videos, I'm reading, and yeah, making sure my English is getting better every day. So that way I can improve these videos, and it will be a lot easier for me to make them and to to talk to you guys, because this is kind of technical language that I have to use. So yeah, as I said, thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.